Imagine having thousands of pieces of data, but no labels telling you what they mean. How can a machine make sense of it all? That's where unsupervised learning comes in. Unsupervised learning is a type of machine learning. Here, the model learns from data without any predefined answers or labels. The most common task is clustering. The algorithm groups similar data points together based on shared characteristics. Businesses use unsupervised learning for customer segmentation, recommendation systems, anomaly detection, and discovering hidden insights. Instead of predicting known outcomes, the model explores the data and identifies structures humans may not easily notice. In short, unsupervised learning helps AI uncover patterns, relationships, and insights from unlabeled data, turning raw information into valuable knowledge.